If you've been looking for a calmer, more honest way to think about stress, burnout, and real life health challenges, you're in the right place. I'm Kathleen, a registered nurse with nearly 3 decades of experience and also a licensed massage therapist with over 17 years working hands on with people and their bodies. My work draws from decades inside healthcare, being holistic, and caregiving, alongside lived experience with recovery, mental health challenges, and the realities that don't fit neatly inside systems or labels. Here, I share experience based insight. It's grounded in clinical work, lived reality, and holistic care without all the hype, the fear, or quick fixes. This is a space for understanding what you're living inside and out, not what you're being told to do. Alongside my own videos, I'll be having conversations and live discussions with trusted experts and health and wellness professionals that I respect when their perspectives would bring more depth and clarity. This channel isn't about trends. It's not about constant content. It's about clarity, steadiness, and making sense of real life challenges. If you've been here with me for a while, thank you for walking this path with me. And if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here.